Right, today we're here with the DNE C-Bend 50 ton. This is the 50 ton brake. We offer up to 160 ton. All brakes come standard with Beazler light curtains, which are really user friendly. No light curtains are a pleasure to deal with, but Beazler makes it pretty straightforward and simple. This is a 4-axis backstop. We have X, R, Z1, and Z2, so we can move our fingers independently left to right. You're going to notice the clamping. It's manual clamping. It's not hydraulic clamping like a lot of our competitors offer, but I'm going to show you all the advantages to manual clamping. The first thing you're going to see is we have gooseneck in standard, gooseneck in reverse. We can run these at the same time, even in the same clamp with the style clamp. So special applications, this is almost a necessity without ordering special tools or clamping. You get to use a quick clamp feature when the goosenecks or any punch is standard. When you reverse it, you do need to use Allen keys, but it is very user friendly either which way. On the DNE C-Bends, they all come standard with oil cooler up top. Helps keep that bend very consistent, the angle consistent on hot summer days. All electrical components inside cabinet are all Schneider, Allen Bradley, and Eaton, so we can get everything stateside when it does come to components to do fixes and repairs on press brakes in the field. I'm going to demonstrate on why we want the option to reverse a gooseneck. You know, some applications, this pen holder, we're going to have to bend it up inside that gooseneck. But we can't do it with a standard gooseneck. That's why we have to have it reversed. And we'll go through and bend one. And for more speed and safety, I can lower this ram opening substantially just so it's above the material. But for demo purposes, I do have it opening all the way so we can all see what's going on. There's your pen holder. Now we'll do a quick tool change. I'll show you some benefits of having this style clamping. If we wanted to build a part with 12-inch tall flanges and it was going to be a box, traditionally we got to hang it off the end of the brake, and now even modern press brakes have all the light curtains, so we can't even accomplish that with light curtains getting in our way. With this clamping, it's so universal that we can accomplish up to a 12-inch box without having to order any punches with windows in them. The manual clamps, we can take an existing clamp and actually use it for a riser, an adapter. This height will allow us to accomplish that 12-inch box. I do have a lot of the demo programs preloaded, but it is very simple and user-friendly to write a program from scratch. We will jump back to that in a moment here, but I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how we can do a tall box without having to order any of those special tall tools or adapter blocks to get that punch tall enough. There you have it. Those are really, really tall flanges without having the special tooling needed to accomplish it. Okay, we talked about how easy it is to build a program on this machine. We'll go ahead and we'll build a program from scratch. We're going to keep the same tools in, but we're just going to go ahead and do a new program. We do have the option for a graphical 2D picture and program also, and I will show you that after we build a numerical program. I have a program built that is in 2D. We'll go ahead and I'm going to be bending some aluminum at 75 thou thick. I'm going to select my tools. And there is a punch library and a die library. And we can upload any tools that you want on your machine, as well as drawing tools. Cybelic makes it very easy and simple to draw and modify any custom tools. Okay, so I got my material thickness, my punch, my die. I want a 90-degree angle at 2 inches. And simple as that. Nice, quick, and user-friendly. There's no paging through 3 different pages of information and technology and tools, and it is very simple. Cybelic has all their information on this home screen. And you see me write a program, that's your basic program. All of our features down here are features that make this machine more efficient, accurate, and safe. And as well as we can step bend programs, and we'll get to that. Now we will demonstrate the 2D software that Cybelic offers. It'll walk you through exactly how that part goes in the brake and how you achieve those bends. And there you have a quick example of the 2D software on the Cybelic controls. Now, one of my favorite features that Cybelic has to offer is our step bend option. It is as simple as you put in all your information that is needed, and if it calls for a 90-degree flange at 8 inches with a 5-inch radius, it auto calculates my hits, and it auto calculates the distance it's going to move between every hit. And if we want a cleaner roll, we can actually change the amount of hits, and it auto calculates all the math for us. So I went from 16 hits to 35 hits. It'll make a much cleaner roll. Okay, we're gonna achieve a roll, but we want more than a 90-degree. We want almost a U shape. We want to make a hose holder or something we can hang on the wall that has a hook to it. We can achieve that with the tool clamping that the DNE press brake comes with. There you have it. You cannot accomplish that without specialty tooling with our other competitors' hydraulic clamping and clamping system that is used on other press brakes.